I started my own law practice more than a dozen years ago now. I had gone to law school thinking I was going to be a prosecutor and tried that for a short time. It wasn't the right practice area for me. I went to a law firm here in Seattle defending professionals, doctors, lawyers, and doing employment law, and moved to the Attorney General's office where I was defending the state in their employment matters. I moved back into private practice when the third child was on the way and we needed a minivan. It was good people, good firm, good fundamentals, but I had an entrepreneurial itch, so I started my own law firm. It's been more than a dozen years ago now. I made every mistake an entrepreneur can make in a new business, taking every case that walked through the door and working all night and all day to pay my vendors. So it occurred to me I should return to employment law, and that's what I did. We were immediately profitable and successful. We work with small business entrepreneurs, privately held companies, executive directors of nonprofits and their boards. Once in a while, we take the right key employee with a case that we believe in. When we're advising our small businesses, we help them design policies that are profitable but lend dignity to their workers. I chose employment law because of its challenges. Every level of government is constantly tinkering with their regulations, and they don't always match together. There are a lot of hidden traps and some non-obvious regulations, some stark contrasts and bright lines that might not be expected. So you really need a lawyer who focuses on employment law to get sound advice. Some examples of things we help with are customizing and updating policies that are the employment relationship. How does the employee get paid? What are the benefits and who qualifies for them? If there is an issue about onboarding or exiting, when can I fire, or when should we get back and manage the person? For our litigation practice, we practice in both state and federal courts. We have defended employers to successful jury trials, and we've done well on appeal, practicing in every appellate court here in Washington, including I've been privileged to argue in front of the Washington State Supreme Court, and I've had briefing in the United States Supreme Court. New clients can reach to us. Right now, the best way is by phone. Email is also effective, although sometimes that's slower, and we're working on a link for the website to speed up the onboarding. We don't typically offer free consultation, and I've found that the lawyers in this practice area who do provide a free consultation, it's typically a sales pitch. And that's not what our initial consultations are. It's to understand what the case is, and sometimes we give the person things that they can help themselves without a lawyer, and we add value in that meeting. And there's value there, and our clients appreciate it and pay for it.